Are you tired of your IT strategy collecting dust? If so, you're not alone. I've seen IT strategies deliver massive impact, and I've seen some flop. The difference? Action. If you want an IT strategy that actually delivers real results and not just sits on a slide deck, stick with me. I'll show you how to make it actionable. The biggest mistake I see are IT strategies built in a vacuum. Sure, they look good on paper, but they're not connected to business goals. And just as bad, no trade-offs. Everyone says yes to everything, and suddenly you're drowning in requests. Sound familiar? Let's fix that. Start with the business. Your IT strategy must be in harmony with the teams you support. So meet with your business partners. Review their goals and priorities, and get the full picture, both IT and non-IT. For example, digital marketing wants to expand their customer reach. Their priority is to build better customer profiles. Your job is to translate that into IT capabilities. Then, have them rank these needs from most critical to least critical. This ranking will become your lifeline later when tough choices come up. Once you know the capabilities needed, review the tech stack together. Applications, data, reporting. Over time, you'll see patterns emerge, and tools that were once deemed critical aren't anymore. This is where trade-offs come in. When the business needs something new, you ask, what comes off the list? Without trade-offs, you'll go into Frankenstein mode, bolted on systems, overlapping tools, and more complexity. With trade-offs, you can say, our email management system doesn't support customer profiles. Instead of layering on another tool, let's replace it with an integrated system that works. And sometimes it means avoiding the shiny object. Leadership may want you to get that fancy suite, but your ranked priorities tell you that a simpler tool is smarter. Your strategy gives you the cover to make that call. Once priorities and trade-offs are clear, bring it back to your IT team. Ask, what kind of IT team do we want to be? Nimble, agile, customer-obsessed? If marketing's priority is customer profiles, your vision might be, we ask the right questions, we get the right data, and we deliver insights quickly so marketing can test new campaigns. This vision anchors your team's role and mindset. By now, you've identified your business partners and their goals, made trade-off decisions to define how to win, and built a shared vision for your IT team. That's your strategy. And because it's tied to real goals, ranked priorities, and trade-offs, it's actionable, not just a deck on the shelf. Fast forward 5 months. Things are going well. And then marketing brings you a shiny new tool. They want IT to drop everything and implement it. Without strategy, you'd scramble, your roadmap gets blown up, and your team is overloaded. With strategy, you bring it back to the framework. You ask together, does this align with our goals? Can our existing stack already do it? And if we add it, what comes off the roadmap? Sometimes the answer is yes, it replaces something outdated. Other times you find out you already have the capability. The point is, your IT strategy isn't just a document, it's a decision-making tool. It keeps you on track, it prevents overload, and it makes IT a true business partner. Now you know how to build an IT strategy that derives action. And I'd love to hear from you. What do you think is the hardest part of making an IT strategy actionable? Drop it in the comments below or reach out to me directly. I love to hear from you. And don't forget to grab your free 5-minute strategy worksheet linked in the description. Remember, strategy is only as good as the action it drives. See you next time.